we are making aloo naan without any oven. We are going to cook in your old pressure cooker or any pot like that on the gas even. So for that first we need the flour, that is all purpose flour 1 cup, half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon eno and 1 warm water. So first we'll mix everything. Just see this how we need the flour. It is very important. This is 1 cup flour. We add half a teaspoon of this sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of eno. So all the dry ingredients we are just mixing them very nicely. So they mix evenly. Now we do like this and we'll put 1 tablespoon of oil in it. I'll mix the oil also in this like this. Now we are kneading the flour with warm water, and just see we are not kneading it nicely, but we are just mixing with our fingers only, that it should make a ball very lightly with light hands, not like you knead your atta for chapati. It's very light now, so we just make it together until it gives a lump, a round ball like dough, like this. Don't have to knead much for this. Now we'll keep this dough covered for almost half an hour with a muslin cloth or a wet towel. Film leave it for half an hour. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our potato dough. Now we have taken 1 cup of mashed potatoes and this 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of dhania powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of mango powder, half teaspoon of anardana, half teaspoon of chaat masala and half teaspoon of ajwain. And this is 1 teaspoon of ginger grated. So we are going to mix all these things in this. Now we are adding this 1 teaspoon of chopped hara dhania and this little green chili. As you wish, if you want more, you can add more. So now we have to mix everything nicely in this. I'll mix with hands. So we have to mix very nicely because all the masalas get nice in it. Now we'll make 4 balls for this, because for 1 cup of flour we need 4 balls and we'll make 4 naans. My 4 balls are ready. Left the flour for 30 minutes. Now we are ready to make naan. We'll just grease the hand and then we'll just knead little more to do it nicely. Now the flour is ready. So I'll use little of dry flour. Then we'll make 4 balls with this. Now the dough is ready, so we'll separate into 4 balls to get it 4 naans. So we'll use little dry flour and now I collect all the sides. I'll keep it here. So join all the sides to make a round ball like this. Our 4 balls are ready. We'll take them to the gas side and we are going to on the gas and a cooker on it. Just see that step how we will cook it on the gas with the tandoori naan. Now we'll have to cook the naans. So this is a cooker. This is deep like this and it is a heavy. And we can use this pot also like this because it has the same thickness as the cooker. So we have to heat the cooker first from the down, then from all sides because we have to stick the naan here only to cook it. So please see it nice. I am rolling out the naan because they are always the oval shape and they look very nice. Naans are always a oval shape, not a round shape. Okay, so I am rolling and keeping then one side. So see. We can stick 3 naans in the cooker at a time. So I'll show you how to stick it. We heat the cooker from the bottom. Now we have to heat all the sides of the cooker like this because when it is hot then only we can stick the naans in it. It's very easy. You can hold it or it will stand like this only all sides. Now it is hot, so we'll just see this step. We have kept one side, we have put a lots of like water and then with the water it is going to stick in this. This is the main thing that we have to put water one side very nicely. Because with the water only it sticks to the pressure cooker, to the pot. We'll do the cooker like this to get them nicely cooked from inside. Now they are ready to take it out. You can see all the 3 naans are cooked nicely. So I'll take them out now. See, it's ready, nicely cooked. You can take it from anything with tongue or anything, whatever is convenient to you, you can take it. See, they have not sticked even. See, now they are cooked from both sides very nicely. Now I will butter them and they are ready to serve. Yes, now they are ready and we'll put butter on this and nicely ready to serve. See, this plate is ready to serve with dahi and pickle, so you can enjoy the naan anytime. They are very easy. Hope next time you make it and enjoy it. Thank you.